Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. You find me today in Heath's, where I've discovered probably the best coffee in Glastonbury is now being served. And I'm sitting here and waiting for some tractors to turn up. Behind me, I don't know if you can see through the window there, over my shoulder is the high street. And any minute now, a parade of tractors is going to come down. Wells and Glastonbury Young Farmers organised this event. And they're doing it this year for the charity called Heads Up. Which is a dementia charity. More on that later. But for now, let's go and see when the tractors turn up. Well then, ladies and gentlemen, as I look down Northload Street there, those clouds look rather ominous. But we're not looking up there. We're looking up there because it's up the high street is where they're going to come from eventually. I'm not sure when. It is now getting on for midday. Let me explain how they're getting here. The idea of today is that the tractors, I don't know how many, I don't know anything about them, will leave Worthy Farm, which, as you know, is famous for being the site of Glastonbury Festival. They're leaving Worthy Farm and driving into Shepton Mallet. They will then drive past Crosscommon that way towards Wells, when they will come down from Wells to the top of the high street, and they'll come down the high street here, and then they'll go off that way and head off towards Butley. Now, why are they driving tractors around, I hear you ask? Well, they're driving tractors around in aid of a charity called Heads Up. Heads Up is a charity which works with people with Alzheimer's. Now, one of the organisers that I've been talking to, a guy called Joe, hopefully we're going to talk to him on the show on Tuesday. His dad has Alzheimer's. Anybody who's watched this channel for any length of time know my dad had Alzheimer's as well. And he died last year, in fact, after 6 years of being, well, pretty much a vegetable a lot of the time. It's horrible. But anyway, that's enough of that. Let's hope these tractors turn up really soon. Well then, ladies and gentlemen, I've just heard from my, my informers over there behind the camera that they are running a little late today. When I say a little late, I think they're around about Wells, and we're here in Glastonbury. So I have frozen my butt off this morning waiting, but once it's been frozen off, you can't freeze it off a second time. So we'll hang around here, and they will eventually turn up and come down the high street behind me. I can hear air horns further up the road over the noise of the traffic. I don't know if you can hear them, but there they are. So any minute now we're going to see loads of tractors come flying past. Let's go and have a look. Look, ladies and gentlemen, a pink tractor! Woo! Hey! Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's quite a few tractors coming through here today. Yay! Look at this fantastic turnout. What a brilliant turn. Look at this. This, again, ladies and gentlemen, is raising. This, again, ladies and gentlemen, is raising funds for Heads Up, the dementia charity.
look. Oh, yes. Woohoo. Nice. Nice.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. This year's tractor run has gone through Glastonbury. I don't know how many tractors there were, but there was quite a lot of them. And they're doing it for Heads Up, the dementia charity, which is very important. And it's also important to remember at the moment with all that's going on, these guys are the guys that grow our food. So we need to remember them and, you know, not take them for granted. Look, here comes another one. Little David Brown going down there. And I think there's another one. There's an outlier at the back. And here we go. This will probably be our last one. Here he comes. Good old Massey Ferguson. Whee! There you go. So as I say, it's important we don't forget these guys. They grow our food. So a big shout out to them. A big shout out to Joe, who I've been talking and liaising about this video with. And also a big shout out to the Glastonbury and Wells young farmers who put it all on. Say hello to John. Hey John.
Sherry, Somerset.
I've been standing here for nearly 2 hours waiting for this to come through, and I've frozen my butt off. So I'm now going to head on home, put it all together and see what we've got. But thank you for watching another film. Thank you for supporting the channel. And if you haven't, please, a quick like and a subscribe would be great. Oh, and don't forget Tuesday night. Tuesday night is our live show going out on this channel. And hopefully we'll have Joe, one of the organisers of the tractors you've just seen, on the show to tell us a bit more about, you know, what today was about and what Dementia's all about. So, yes, by all means, Tuesday, come along and have a look at our new live show. We're quite proud of it. For now, bye-bye.